right, here we go. We got 3, 2, 1, mark.
We're close to the committee out there, yeah.
Keep all that weight off, you guys. Looks like it's going to be really close. 3, 2, 1, mark. It looks like it's going to be the Hadron.
Okay, thank you.
Hey! Put the weights back in the boat.
3, 2, 1, close. Up. Wow, it's going to be close.
Get us.
Nope, right there. Got it first.
Nice cover.
And we're going 3, 2, 1, mark.
Nice job, Jim.
The biggest thing that he likes is that line. It's really fun to watch him formulate to the line. So you can take as many pictures coming onto the line. Do you have the video camera?
Yes.
Ready to go.
Nice start, Eric. That was beautiful.
So
Going
He'd have to spin around for it. And Rudy has to come around for it, I think. Rudy went over too soon, guys.
Okay.
Did he? Does he?
Yeah. He went over when you started it.
Okay. All right.
But you know what?
I'm just gonna let it go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what we need to do is find out that exact fact.
Yeah.
Look at these guys. These guys.
Well, sorry. Did he start as I started the long one? Okay.
No, you went beep, beep, beep before you did the long one.
Oh,
he had
before.
over
Oh.
before
Oh,
that.
okay. On the
I
5
think-
short.
Yeah.
Okay.
And because we okay, here we go fast. We're coming in 3, 2, 1, and 4, 3, 2, 1, mark. And they're gonna make it next. Boy, they really made a comeback. And that's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark. So it's going to be close. 11:02. That's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, mark. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, mark. I'm sorry. This is in our last guy here. 44. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Were they really? Was it really clean?
General recall.
Let's just start playing with their minds.
Okay. What were you saying, Virginia?
General recall. Let's just play with their minds. Mind warping maneuvers.
3, 2, 1, and mark. It's going to be I don't know, it's really hard to tell.
You are being recorded.
I know. Okay, let's read. 686, and it's 3, 2, 1, mark. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, mark. 3, 2, 1.
What happened on the Lido?
Over early.
Over early?
Yeah, you have to circle the buoy when you're over early.
All right.
Look at this. Side by side. Look at that